In today's video, I will walk you through how to find trending coins on Gate.com. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Next, navigate to the Markets section from the main menu. This is where Gate displays all of its listed cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. You'll find a wide range of information, including live prices, 24-hour price changes, trading volume, and market activity. Look for categories such as trending or hot coins and tap it. These sections showcase cryptocurrencies that are receiving increased attention due to higher trading volume, significant price movements, or growing market interest. Click on any coin to view more details, including its price chart, trading pairs, order book, and recent market performance. Before buying any trending coin, take a few minutes to do your own research. Review the project's fundamentals, recent news, market performance, and price history instead of making decisions based solely on popularity. Remember, a coin that's trending today can also be highly volatile. And that's how to find trending coins on Gate.com.